ngayon mga par ay magbigay reaksyon tayo sa about sa AKAP mga par. Kasi yung sa AKAP ay dinistribute na sinimula ng i-distribute sa mga congressmen. So, bakit mga par kung ngayon nila i-distribute? Kasi paparating na ang eleksyon. Maniwala lang ako mga par kung i-distribute nila yung sa AKAP after sa eleksyon. Kasi ngayon i-distribute na nila yung sa about sa AKAP. Parang sa kanila yung pera nang galing yun sa mga taong bayan. So panoorin natin yung video mga par.
Tama po, contained ang AKAP, AX, and such other assistance or ayudas to our kababayans. Again, we will not be a hindrance, but we will release today the approval for the exemption, but with very strict guidelines. No politicians/candidates during the distribution of this financial assistance. Number one. Number two, Secretary Gatchalian in public pronouncement said that they are now drafting the very strict guidelines. Then we would like to see the guidelines, and they will have to enforce and fully implement all of these guidelines. Otherwise, the COMELEC is always free to cancel the exemption that will be issued. And number two, we are always free to file cases against anyone, especially candidates who will be present or there during the distribution for possible disqualification and election offense cases.
Oh, and just a quick one, because we have former Senator Richard Gordon as our guest next, is this. I want to warn you, Chairman, yung mga local politicians, pinaparaffle ang AKAP. And some of them, when they give AKAP, they actually check if you are a voter. So, ang tanong really is, if AKAP is going to be given this coming campaign season, should it be the DSWD distributing it?
Dapat lang naman ma'am, DSWD, including very professional naman ang mga social workers, hindi sila papayag, sila ang makasuhan, sila ang ma-administrative case, sila ang matanggal. And at the same time, remember, nag-disqualify kami ng mga governors and city mayors and mayors for abuse of state resources. Huwag nila kami susubukan this time. We will not hesitate to disqualify them. Wala kaming pakialaman. Because in the first place, it is the policy of this president, even of President Marcos, na dapat proper ang disposition ng mga ganitong klaseng ayuda. Ang sa part namin, sa part ng COMELEC, 45 days lang naman yung prohibition Hindi naman lang natin pwedeng...
Di ba mga par, kita natin na dinistribute na nila yung sa AKAP. Di ba? Kung para sa akin lang mga par, parang politika yun. Kasi dapat maniwala lang ako mga par, kung ibibigay nila, kung i-distribute nila after sa eleksyon. Ngayon nagdi-distribute na sila kasi palapit na ang eleksyon upang makuha nila yung mga atensyon ng ibang mga tao.